Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte declares a state of calamity due to the African swine fever outbreak.
The Philippine government is monitoring a new type of swine flu from China that researchers fear could trigger another pandemic.
What if a tiny, rapid test could stop a livestock disease outbreak before it begins? In the heart of the Philippines, one startup is leading that charge with test kits, tech, and a state-of-the-art lab. Welcome to Blitzkrieg Animal Diagnostic Center. Blitzkrieg started in 2019, born from university research and supercharged by innovation. The name says it all. Blitz means fast, Krieg means war. Their mission? Win the war against animal disease fast. Rural farms often face delayed test results, high costs, and zero access to local labs. Blitzkrieg's solution? DIY-ready kits and a friendly full-service molecular lab that's breaking barriers across the country. These kits aren't just quick. They're affordable, sensitive, and proudly Philippine-made. Blitzkrieg also offers a complete startup kit, lab tools, 28 test kits, and training included. No lab? No problem. But Blitzkrieg is more than just kits. Their molecular lab is buzzing with students, researchers, and real-world science. From DNA extraction to gene sequencing, they've become the go-to hub for agricultural biotech. The journey wasn't easy. Regulatory delays. Supplier setbacks. But Dr. Clarissa and her team powered through, pivoting, adapting, and even building their own delivery pipelines to keep up. Sales are growing. Researchers are lining up. Farmers are testing smarter. And Blitzkrieg? They're just getting started. With online sales, new gene sequencing offers, and a future goal, become the country's top toll manufacturer of test kits. But what truly drives them? Purpose, employment, local empowerment. Blitzkrieg believes in Filipino-made solutions for Filipino farmers, and they're building that future, one test at a time. Blitzkrieg is proof that science doesn't have to stay in the lab. It can heal, empower, and transform. From test kits to gene sequencing, this isn't just diagnostics. This is a movement.